New 2023 KTM 890 Adventure with revised fairing design, new color-injected body panels and in-mold graphics. Powered by the 889cc parallel twin engine, making 103 bhp at 8,000 rpm and 100 Nm of torque at 6,500 rpm. The bike gets new revised WP APEX 43mm USD forks in the front, with rebound and compression adjusters, and a retuned WP APEX shock at the back, with new Pirelli Rally STR tires on the 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels. The bike features various rider aids such as traction control, cornering ABS, ride modes, a reworked 5-inch TFT display with smartphone connectivity, and a new demo mode for the first 1,500 kilometers. The 890 Adventure can also be equipped with an optional quick shifter and cruise control. The bike has a dry weight of 200 kilograms and a seat height of 860 millimeters.